Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me for another short video to the Australian Canary channel. Now, let's talk about chicks dead in shell. Now, I've had a few inquiries that how do I know that my chicks are dead in the shell? Now, sometimes, look, they say it's 13 to 14 days where a chick starts hatching in the nest. Now, especially the first round of birds, chicks, well, it's not always the case. Because the weather isn't quite, you get some spring days and then you get some colder weather. And also due to chicks being, or hens being very inexperienced, sometimes the hen doesn't sit for the first couple of days while she starts laying, or she keeps jumping in and out of the nest. Now, I've had cases where I've had chicks that have hatched at day 17, day 18, and these things can happen. Now, what I usually do is that if I don't get chicks that do hatch around, the correct time, around the day 14, I get a little bowl, put some warm water in it, and then just put the eggs in the water. Now, as you can see on this little video here, you can see there's 4 eggs in there, and 2 of them are not moving. So when you start seeing the eggs start wobbling in the water, that means that the chicks aren't dead in the shell. In my case, it looks like that I've got 2 chicks that are still alive, and the other 2 will be dead in shell. All right, guys, I'll leave you with that. And let's just take a little video of my 5-year-old daughter hand feeding some of the chicks, and I'll see you guys in the next little episode. Have a good one.